welcome back to the channel again. Today we will solve the 12th question of July LeetCode challenge. So our question is reverse bits. So what we have given a 32-bit integer or 32-bit unsigned integer. Now what this unsigned integer it is there. So I'll explain you that thing first, then we will go to the question part, because question is simple but the 32-bit unsigned integer part is bit complex. Now what is 32-bit unsigned int? What it represents? Now you have given an integer. It can be any. Now you all know that our integer range is up to 2 to the power 16 minus 2 to the power 16 to plus 2 to the power 16. So this is our range. Now what we have to do, we have to reverse a 32-bit. So we must have a 32-bit integer. So in C++ and in other languages we does not have this much big digit which can store this much big value. So that's why we use 32-bit unsigned int. In this what it does, it stores their indexes. Suppose this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So what this number represent? If you want to represent 1 in a 32-bit, a 32 unsigned bit or 32-bit unsigned integer, how it will be represented? It will be represented by lots of zeros, and at the end one will be there. So main focus of this is to convert your integer into a bits or into bit, and then it will show. So this is how we will solve, or this is how this 32-bit integer is represented in this question. Now you all know that why we can't convert this to a string and then reverse and then do this stuff. That's why we are not using that thing. Now we directly have to convert. So this is a bit, so we must use bits operation only to convert. That is a common thing which I know that you all should know. So for that we are now in this question we are just direct checking the solution, that what will be our solution, and then we will submit. So in this case our solution will be this. So in this first line or this first statement is a simple creation of any other variable that we will return, which will store our reverse. Now in this, for solving this question, we are using two types of operation, the left shift and the right shift. Now I'll explain you that what these two things are doing. Now this right shift operator not do anything but just divides your integer by 2. Suppose you have integer 1 0 0 1, then what it do, if it is a binary digit then it will remove this, else it will divide. So what it will become, it will become 5 0 0 if it is a decimal, and if it is a bit or if it is in bit representation, then the value will be 1 0 0. So what it does, it just shifts one value. So this is done by the right shift operator. Now what the left shift operator do, it just does the reverse thing. First of all it will multiply. So it will not directly multiply, it multiply with the help of bits. So this 1 will be added here. 1 will not be exactly added, this 0 will be added, and if we want to add 1 then we have to manually add 1. That's why these two operations we will use. So this is the main operator, or this is the thing which we are going to use. Now I'll explain you the question directly or the solution directly. Now we will iterate over all the 32 bits and we'll reverse each bit. Now suppose this is our bits representation 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. So we are just taking a 8-bit integer only, because if we will take 32-bit integer it will be a bit lengthy. Now we have to reverse. So initially res will store 0, or for not confusing we will write 0 here. Now first of all what we are doing, we are finding n's percentage. Now we are finding that it is 0 or 1, so it is 0. So 0 will be there till now in the res. Now res will be shifted by 1 bit, so it will become 0 and 0. So the value now will become 0 and 0. Now again the next value came, so it will again become 0. Now one more value came, this 1. So first 0 will be inserted, then this will be updated by 1 because n%2 is 1. So this will be there 1. Now again 0 will come, 1 0 1 0. So this last 0 will not be there. There will be some bits like this only. So first of all, with the help of this left shift, or with the help of this operator, what we are doing, we are just shifting this. Initially 0, then we will add one more 0. With the help of this 1 or this right shift operator, we are cancelling these zeros or ones, whatever it is. And at the end I am using one more because we are just iterating 31 times, so last bit will be used, or last bit will be added here. Now why I am not doing this thing here, because if 31 values will be appended, so last value will not be anything, so it will produce some error at this iteration. So that's why we are iterating 31 times, not 32 times. So now if we submit our solution, I got correct answer. Thank you guys. For more such content, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.